Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let me introduce the term artificial intelligence, which is now required to know for all of us and especially for young generation. The term artificial intelligence was first introduced in the year of 1956 by John McCarthy. Yes, we can say that Mr. John McCarthy, he introduced the first name and term of artificial intelligence in 1956. And he defined the term artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machine. If we are talking about the applications of AI, then we must say every applications in every field we can find the use and applications of AI like healthcare, automobile, finance, surveillance, social media, education, space, gaming, robotics, agriculture, e-commerce and many more. Have you ever wondered that how Google give the perfect search? Or you can find or you will think that how perfect face identification can be done and we can find and tag our friends on Facebook. Only the answer of all this is AI, that is artificial intelligence. Okay, now let's talk about some important terminologies which are used with AI. We must heard the name if we are talking about the AI, that is artificial intelligence. एक बहुत मिसकंसेप्शन है लोगों में. People think normally artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, they are same. See, these all are interrelated term, but these all not same. Artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, they are related terminologies, but they are not same. Let me explain you one by one that what is the specific meaning of all these things. If we are talking about AI, as we learned before, AI is a science of getting machine to mimic the behavior of human. And if we are talking about the machine language, machine learning, then machine learning is a subset of AI that focus to make decisions by feeding them data. And if we are talking about deep learning, then we can say deep learning is again the subset of machine learning that use the concept of natural network to solve complex problem. So finally we can say the artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, they are correlated to each other but not same. After that, we are proceeding to the different type or the category of artificial intelligence. If we are going to categorize the types of artificial intelligence, then we can describe it in three major categories. First is artificial narrow intelligence, that is ANI, that is also named as weak AI. If we are talking about the second one, that is artificial general intelligence, that is AGI, and that is also termed as strong AI. Moving to the next one is artificial super intelligence, that is ASI, and that is again termed as super AI. Let me introduce with example something with all these categories. If we are talking about the first one, that is artificial narrow intelligence, let's have a little bit description about. If we are talking about narrow AI, this is only the type of artificial intelligence we have successfully realized that narrow AI is goal oriented, designed to perform singular tasks like face recognition, speech recognition, voice recognition, etc. If you are talking about the example, then Siri and Alexa is the best example that we are using in our day-to-day life. At the same time, Google Assistant is also. At the same time, many more like Google Map also, you can consider it as example of narrow or weak AI. Moving to the next, we have artificial general or strong AI. If you are talking about a strong AI, Artificial general intelligence, also referred to the strong or deep AI, is a concept of machine with general intelligence that mimic human intelligence or behavior, with the ability to learn and apply its intelligence to solve problems. You must heard the name about the Tesla car. This is about auto driving car. Without driver, the thing is the car will run over the roads. And if you must have heard about the robotics, then the famous name is Sophia. And this is also can be considered as example of a strong AI that is based on the concept of a strong AI. Moving to the next. If we are moving to the next, that is artificial super intelligence, that is ASI, and that is termed as super AI. If we are talking about the artificial super intelligence, it is a hypothetical AI that doesn't just mimic or understand human intelligence and behavior. Super intelligence is where machine becomes self-aware and surpass the capacity of human intelligence and ability. AI is being widely recognized as the power for the growth of any country. To fulfill the goal of AI generation, CBSE also announced the AI as a skill subject in class 8 as well as in class 9. We can have a separate tab for AI in CBSE website. This curriculum is so appropriate and focused on AI mindset, relevant skill set and tool set. Learner will familiar with AI domain such as computer vision and language processor and apply on meaningful social project. If you want to more detail about the curriculum of CBSE on the basis of AI, then text me on the comment section. Thank you.